Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial in Python, and today's topic is going to be about object-oriented programming. So to introduce the concept, from its name we can sort of understand that it's about objects, and an object has data and it also has behavior. It's a way to sort of model entities in the real world, such as a person, a pet. Let's say we want to model a cat or a dog or any other type of pet. Let's say we want to model a shape. For example, in math, we have squares, rectangles, triangles, and as a result, it's it's sort of a way to model real world problems. And since this concept is intuitive for humans, it is easier to develop, maintain, and also extend features in terms of code. So let's quickly bring up PyCharm and let's see how we can code the concept of object-oriented programming in Python. First, we can define a class, and the way we do that is we say class and then we put in the name for a class. Let's say a person. We want to be able to initialize objects in of a class in Python, and the way we do that is first we need to write a constructor, and the way we do that is we type in def underscore underscore init and then self, and the self is to indicate an object itself, and that should be always the first parameter within the class, within the functions inside a class. We can also include other parameters to define the properties of a person, and a person can have a name, can have an age, and they can also have their home country, let's say. And we can store these let's say properties using self.name, and then we store the name that's provided, self.age, and then self.home country. We store in home country. Let's quickly initialize our first object. Let's call it person A. And so first we say person, and then we include the person's name, age, and then home country. Let's say we want to call our person A Ben, who is 75 years old, and their home country is USA. Let's print out person A's properties. The properties are name, age, and home country. Let's print this out, and we have Ben 75 and USA, which are the names, age, and home country of person A. We can also create person B. Let's give them the name VP sorry, 35, and then from India. And let's do the same for person B. So we have VP 35 and then India. A class can also have behaviors. Let's say a person can walk, a person can be cloned. Let's say we want to create walk, and when a behavior of an object is called, let's say we print out the person's name, self.name plus is walking. And let's say we want to simulate person A walking. We can do person A dot walk. And if we print this out, we can see here that Ben is walking. Person A is Ben, and self.name will translate to Ben, and then is walking. Let's say we want to clone VP, so we can include another behavior, clone, and we return another person with the same name, age, and home country. So we want to clone person B, who's VP. So what we do is person B dot clone, and we want to store this person in person C. So we're calling person B, which is an object of class person, and we're cloning, and we're giving it person B. So this clone function will clone another person. Well, it'll return another person with person B's name, age, and home country. And let's quickly print out person C's properties. Sorry, so we didn't include the parameter person here. So we don't need to include a parameter. Yeah. So we could just do person B dot clone, and then this will return another person with the same name, age, and home country. So let's play this. And we can see here there's two properties of person with the same name, age, and home country. So the first one is person B, and the second one is person C. And another question that we can get is that we might have will be, are person B and person C the same objects? And the answer to that is no. And we can print out the IDs of person B and person C to show the difference. So we can see here the ID of person B, the ID of person C are both different, and this indicates that they're both different objects. So there you have it. This is the first video in object-oriented programming for Python. If this video helped you in any way or form, please give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. And the next video will be about let's say polymorphism, and also I'll include the topic of inheritance, which is a very important concept inside object-oriented programming. And yeah, thanks for watching.